You're about to hear something no officer ever wants to hear. A faint voice behind a wall. Not outside, not in the basement, but sealed away, like someone was never supposed to be found. And the worst part? Police had already been here once and walked away.
Oh my God, dude.
Go kill the bitch. The bitch would have been dead. Long story short, if I wanted to kill her, she would have been dead.
It's just after 3:30 p.m. in Cleveland, Ohio, when police get called to a spot that is about to get hot.
Bro, y'all can't be here like this. You can't be here like this, bro.
I'm just knocking on your door.
I understand that, but you making me hot.
What?
You're making me hot.
What does that mean?
I'm about to come out.
All right, come on out.
All right.
Apparently this all started in Brunswick, PR. Give me a few minutes to take a look.
How you doing, sir?
Y'all can't be out here like this.
My name's Officer Robles. That's Officer Obed. Just
That's
so you know,
cool.
everything's recorded.
Listen,
Yes?
turn those cameras off, please.
Well, what's going on?
Can you please turn the cameras off?
You have to give me a reason, and I can't.
You guys are making my spot hot. I work for you guys, okay? Long story short, I work for you guys. Please get out here. You guys are blowing the spot up. All right?
Who do you work for?
I can't tell you that.
Why?
I cannot tell you that because I'm not allowed to tell you that. Okay, so just understand that.
Well, here,
Go home.
we have a call. Here, sir, let me just tell you why we're here, and then we'll leave. It could be nothing. I don't know. I don't know anything about you.
All right, I'm just saying y'all can't be here. Y'all making my spot hot. All right.
Well, that
Work
doesn't
with
make
you
any.
guys.
That doesn't make any sense.
I don't. You don't need to make sense to y'all. You hear me? So what I need y'all to do
Hey,
is
sorry,
leave.
can you come over to this address for a minute?
No, don't do that, bro. You're blowing the spot.
31-year-old Delonte Edmund Geiger is suspected of having a woman tied up in his basement, but he's more worried about his side gig as a confidential informant getting him tied up in the neighborhood.
Okay. Long story short, I need y'all to leave. Make a phone call.
Well, we're not going to leave that quickly until we figure out what's going on.
There's nothing.
So we were told that
Damn.
the lady's tied up in the basement.
There ain't nobody tied up in the basement.
Can we
bro.
look?
No, but like,
Why not?
because I say so.
Is someone tied up down there?
No.
What's your name, buddy?
I can't tell you that, bro.
What do you mean you can't tell me that? Is this your truck?
My dump truck, that's my company truck. That's
Okay.
yeah, there's nothing going on with
Is it in your name?
No.
Then why don't you want to tell us who you are?
Dude, I'm trying to tell you I'm a confidential informant. That's all I have to say. You guys are bugging right now. You guys are
No,
bugging.
that's not all you have to say. Who told you that?
I can't say nothing else.
Well, if there's someone tied up in the basement, we got a
There's
problem.
nobody in the basement.
So why can't I look?
Why do you?
Because all that stuff that went on in the past with those three girls, man, we got to take this seriously.
What
and
three
look into
girls?
it.
What three girls?
Gina De Jesus.
And I don't know them hoes,
All
man.
that stuff. You know what I'm saying?
Listen,
though?
I'm
If
about
we
to
don't
give-
take this seriously,
I'm
and
about
there's
to give
something
you
going
I'm
on.
about to give you my social security number.
Oh yeah.
Here you go. Stop. Please don't
That's
do
all
that.
right.
Please
We're
don't.
not going in without you.
Yeah, you can't do that. Tell him please not to do that.
Do what?
Like
I'm not going in your
All right,
Sergeant,
that's fine. That's fine.
Sergeant, please tell him not
Back
to
up.
do that.
He's not going.
Okay, I'm gonna give you my social security number.
All right.
I want you to run it. Okay? My don't come up clean.
A quick call to the detective handling Delonte gets officers inside for a quick search, but no cameras are allowed.
Loud music playing, so you can't hear the screams.
I know, it was a loud music. I had to knock for a minute on the bag. So,
You control this, man. All right, let's go now. Okay.
huh?
What's his name again?
Front door, Sarge.
Huh?
He just came to the front door.
Oh, did he?
Coming.
No, senior officer. I can't go back to Yes, you can, bro. Yes, you can. I
The
talked to
senior officer's coming.
talk to Detective Swift. I only need you in my house, bro.
He's a senior guy. Trust me, we'll be fine.
Please,
All right?
please.
You understand the safety issue of it, right? For a police officer.
Bro,
You know what I mean? Trust me,
Y'all
he's
killing me.
fine. He's a senior guy.
anybody got a lighter? Can I smoke? My
I
nerves
do,
are,
if you...
my nerves are really bad.
Let's get out of the ring. I got a light.
Just stay here.
Dude, I want to get out of here too. Trust me. I talked to Detective Smith, but... Hey, do you mind if the liquor
No, dude, there's too much going on. No.
All right, stand outside. Leave this crack, though, in case we scream for help.
The basement is empty, but police aren't sold that's the end of this story.
You didn't know what I told you about those?
Listen, we're here to look to see for a body. That's it. You give us consent to make sure there's no one laying dead in here?
This is my uncle.
All right.
All right, go outside. You gonna let him out?
Yeah. You take off, man.
Let him out.
Do you give us consent?
Come on, bro. I'm gonna walk y'all through this.
As the officers search the house, they hear a harrowing sound coming through the walls.
Hey, folks, come down here a minute.
Copy.
Is anybody on that front porch? No. So what's that noise I keep hearing? That you keep turning the music up on every time I hear something?
I heard him dragging something out when he went from the front to the back too, you know.
Is anybody in that apartment? Because I heard voices.
Yeah. Who's up there?
Oh, okay.
Who's out there?
What is that?
Can you hear it?
Clint, please.
Who's out there?
Where are you at?
She's under. There's a thing under. Remember I shined my flashlight?
Do you need help?
Back there?
All right. Clint, please. Sam 24, can you get us another car over here?
All right. Sliding something under there. Maybe then come to the back.
Where are you at?
Where you at, man?
M35, you can send us same 2 force numbers.
Hello, 15.
All right, we're looking. Hey, how do you get to her? In the black box?
Yeah.
Oh my God, dude. Radio send EMS.
I'm paralyzed.
Oh my gosh.
I'm paralyzed.
All right. How old are you?
I'm 60.
6-year-old female. Step up EMS. Are you injured besides that?
I'm paralyzed.
You're paralyzed.
I'm paralyzed.
What's your name?
EMS is en route. Are you cold?
I hurt.
You hurt? All right, we want to get you out of there, but I'm afraid to move you. I'm going to let EMS do all that,
I
okay?
hurt so bad.
What did he do to you?
He kicked me constantly.
He did what?
Kicked me
Hey, Scott, you want fire to come? At least get her upright and start her backwards.
She says she's paralyzed. I don't know.
I know, but if we get fire here, they can...
Are they here?
No, you got no QTA on EMS.
They've been dispatched.
Huh?
Did he stab you?
Yeah.
Where are you stabbed, you think? Your arm? All right. Did he sexually assault you at all?
No.
Okay. Do you know how long you've been here?
No.
Is it just one day?
Yeah.
Delonte is taken into custody as the victim is carefully transported to the hospital.
I was lupus, but like I wasn't going to kill her. Though. I wasn't going to. I've been beating her, and you know what I'm saying. But I just can't have her out on this. Because I'm working with Detective Smith, trying to get him 10 guns, 5 AKs, 4 Glocks, 3. That's supposed to be going into the valley like next week. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get him who moves 6 ounces a day on coke crack. You know, I'm trying to get him prescriptions of ounces a day, but like I found out that this is that, and you know what I'm saying. If I was
you found out that what?
That the lady that what I was taking care of in my house is a rat, and if she was to get back out on the street, I would be exposed. Okay. And die, get killed. You know what I'm saying? So like, I'm new to this. I understand I f***ed up. I know I can't get out of this. This is bad. You know what I'm saying? I know what's going on. I know it's bad.
Delonte recounts the gruesome details of this nightmare like it's just another day.
So yesterday was Tuesday, so she probably got there like Monday or something?
Yeah, Monday she was kicking it, cool, calm, collected, hold up. You know what I'm saying? Eating, lying to me. Like, dude, you tripping? Like, why do that? You know what I'm saying? So that's how that went down, bro. And I was like, I apologize, bro.
Okay.
But I just ain't trying to die out here in these streets with y'all with these crackheads. Because this is serious. Niggas die. I keep on telling them, like, I need to talk to a corporal. Put me in a room by myself. Like, the way y'all play that, like, it was 50 cars in front of my house. I don't think the streets talk. You know what I'm saying? Type shit. Like, so, like, I f***ed up, bro. But, like, I'm new to this. And I feel like my life is in danger, bro. People have tried to kill me 3 times already. You feel me? I've been shot in my ass. I don't need my underarm, blood, all type of weird shit. This shit is crazy. And I felt like I was gonna die if I didn't hold her for like 2 days and tell her, like, let her know what was going on. I'm gonna kill the bitch. Feel like the bitch would have been dead. Long story short, if I wanted to kill her, she would have been dead.
Would you mind walking me through, again, I know it's a little tough right now, and it's bad time, but like everything that went through, like the time where you were together, like what happened during those days?
I just punched on her, slapped on her, tell her to punched on her, slapped on her, punched on her, slapped on her, punched on her, slapped on her, moved her from the basement to another room, fed her, showered her, gave her some water, put a blanket over her. I'm just telling you the truth, bro.
No, that's fine.
Was I raping her? No.
Okay.
Was that what you about to ask me?
No,
I thought you about to ask me that.
No, like, were you giving her drugs and stuff like that?
Why would I give her my drugs? Why the f*** would I do that?
Man. I didn't know that.
Hell no.
Yeah.
No.
All right. So at any point was she asking to leave, different things like that?
She has nowhere to go.
Okay.
She has nowhere to go. All she was just asking was why. Stop, I won't do it again. I'll never tell, Blast, please. I'll never tell. I know I deserve this, but I'll never tell. Like, that's a code in the streets. You know what I'm saying? I got 4 beautiful kids.
Okay. So during this time when the traffic stop occurs and she goes on her way, was there anybody that ever said, like, besides, like, if she was doing anything that, like, yeah, she told me
No.
that?
No, I thought it was somebody else until I did my homework.
Okay. So this is all you transpiring, doing everything, doing all your own stuff in your head and like, hey.
Listen to the detectives as we all got out the car. The detectives like, yeah, you can go. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. You ain't even get searched. It's crap about $200 worth of dope in the car at scale, and you didn't even get searched.
Yeah.
No, get your bag. You're forgetting your bag.
They're helping her out.
Don't forget your bag. Go ahead, go. Thank you.
Delonte mocks police and then tries to cut a deal to dodge the charges.
For real, I like this. I see it on TV. I'm excited. I'm so slick. I'm slicker than deer shit. Y'all, man, I almost got away. Y'all motherfuckers. Them cops horrible, boy. I'm slick, boy. I ain't trying to brag nor boast. Not trying to brag nor boast, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna help y'all out. Flat out, but I can't sit in this room. I can get keys and guns. You're gonna see it in my phone. I know everybody big. I just want to help. I know I'm in trouble right now. Which this can get handled after I make those busts for y'all. You know what I'm saying? The judge will understand that. She should understand that. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? Right. So, like, I need to go home.
But home is the last place this architect of terror is going.
At this point, the victim is alive. She's been pulled out of that confined space, and the suspect is in custody. But before we go any further, we need to slow this story down. Because this case is not just about a kidnapping. It's about how close this came to becoming a fatal mistake, even with police already on scene. So let's break down exactly what happened, and why this case nearly slipped through the cracks. This is the question most people ask after watching this footage. How could police be there and still leave? The answer isn't negligence, it's procedure. In the first visit, officers had no visible victim, no screams they could legally verify, and a homeowner refusing consent. Without clear probable cause, forcing entry could have jeopardized the entire case. And that's the uncomfortable truth. Sometimes doing everything by the book still feels wrong, especially when someone's life is on the line. The suspect didn't just deny the accusations, he used a very specific tactic. He claimed he was a confidential informant. That matters because informants exist in a legal gray area. Officers are trained to verify those claims before acting. But here's the problem. That claim bought him time to argue, time to redirect attention, time to control the narrative. And while police were weighing procedure, a woman was still trapped inside the house. One detail from this case is especially haunting. The victim later indicated she could hear police earlier, she could hear movement, she could hear voices, but she couldn't respond loud enough to be found. That means help was just feet away and completely unreachable. That moment is why this case stays with people, because it exposes how thin the line can be between rescue and tragedy. The reason police returned wasn't instinct, it was information. A second informant came forward with details that were graphic, consistent, and specific. Details like restraints, forced writing, stabbing. That level of specificity is what tipped the scale legally. And it's a reminder of something important. One voice might not be enough, but multiple voices can save a life. When you listen to the suspect talk after his arrest, one thing stands out. He doesn't speak like someone in shock. He speaks like someone explaining logistics. He talks about feeding her, moving her, managing exposure. That's not fear. That's control. And when he tries to bargain, offering information, weapons, names, it shows how he views the situation, not as accountability, but as negotiation. The suspect repeatedly says, "I wasn't going to kill her." But that statement misses the point, because survival doesn't erase the crime, and intention doesn't undo torture. Keeping someone alive while breaking them physically and mentally is not mercy, it's domination. And that's why the sentence in this case matters. The suspect ultimately pleaded guilty to kidnapping, assault, evidence tampering, and weapons charges. He wasn't released. He wasn't cut loose for cooperation. He was sentenced to years behind bars. And that matters, because cases like this test whether the system bends for people who claim they're useful. This time, it didn't. There are two lessons here. For law enforcement, verify everything, but don't ignore patterns, tone, and behavior. For civilians, if something feels wrong, speak up again, and again, and again. Because this woman wasn't saved by one call. She was saved by persistence. If you found this breakdown helpful, consider subscribing for more real Bodycam cases explained clearly and without sensationalism. These stories aren't about shock value. They're about understanding how real decisions get made, in real time, with real lives on the line. And coming up next, we're breaking down another case where police searched a home, found nothing, and then realized the truth only after it was too late. Because sometimes the most dangerous thing in an investigation is what you don't see.